Good morning! So I just woke up like an hour ago and I'm starving like Marvin. So it is breakfast time and I'm coming at you guys with a what I eat in a day video. And if you haven't followed my vegan channel, check the link in the description box below or in one of these corners. Go subscribe because for any meals that I show you, all of the how-to videos or tutorials or the recipe videos will be on my vegan channel. Do I look like stubby or short? Maybe it's a sweater. I don't know. All right, so for breakfast, I am having my aqua kefir probiotic drink, coconut and lime. I have a newfound obsession with kombucha. I thought this was kombucha and it's not. So I was not that excited when I drank it because it's, you know, it's not the best, but it's good for me, so I'm gonna finish it. But I love kombucha now. And this is my breakfast. I have a baked sweet potato with coconut oil, cinnamon, and 3 Persian cucumbers with roasted garlic hummus. And this is my first meal. Like usual, I'm starting my day with my spring water with my key limes in it. So I try to start my morning right before I eat anything with a glass of water. So I already had my first glass. But then with breakfast, I always have 16 ounces of water or more. Before I eat, I take my vitamins. So like usual, I have my iron, chlorophyll, happy colon, and sea moss and bladderwrack. I said this in my last video, but this sea moss stuff is how I keep my skin clear. It's major key for skin. Chlorophyll is again a body deodorizer. Happy colon just keeps you regulated. So I'm gonna take all my vitamins. All right, so for sea moss, I typically take 5 to 6 of these. The only time I really take 6, again, is when I'm eating not so well and I'm eating things that cause mucus in my body. But when I'm eating well, I just take like 4 to 5. Also, if I'm doing any type of detox, whether that be a water detox or a food detox, like a raw food detox, I'm gonna take 6 of these because I wanna remove all mucus outside of my body, so. Again, if you wanna see how I get these vitamins, check the link in the description box. I'll leave the link of where I get my vitamins from Alkaline Herb Store. That is it. All right, so this is my breakfast. I will see you guys in a bit. All right, it is snack time. Today for snacks, I am going to have 4 dates, 4 of these bad boys. These are filled with vitamins and minerals that we need. There's so much fiber in them. They mimic caramel. And they're amazing. So this will be my snack. I probably won't eat for another hour. I have my squat bands on right now. I'm actually doing squats in my meditation room. And after I finish my squats, I'm gonna meditate, do some stretches, and then possibly go shower early. It's still really early. It's only 3 o'clock. So I'm definitely having a late lunch today, only because I started my day super late. I woke up really late today, like 11 o'clock, so that's why. But yeah, I'll see you guys for lunch. Deuces. Okay, so it is lunchtime. It's blowing me up. All right, so it is lunchtime. It's 5 o'clock right now. It's a late lunch for me. I just finished making my spelt flatbread. If you want to see how to do that video, click in one of these corners right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna have that as a little mini tortilla sandwich, even though I just called it flatbread. Okay, I'm just gonna make a little mini sandwich, so let me show you what I do. All right, so we're gonna start with our spelt bread, or our spelt tortillas, whatever you want to call them. They're amazing. Check out my recipe. You can use them for like anything. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and spread some of this roasted garlic hummus from Trader Joe's all on my spelt bread or tortilla, whatever we're gonna call it. And as you can see, I use a pretty good amount because chickpeas are like my main protein source. So I eat a lot of chickpeas, guys. So yeah, I'm a little heavy-handed with the hummus.
Now I'm gonna take about a handful of my organic cherry tomatoes from Trader Joe's. It's my favorite grocery store ever. So I just take a handful amount, and then I'm just gonna slice them in half and place them on my spelt bread / tortilla. And yeah, I'm just arranging it kind of cute or whatever, just for video purposes. Then I'm going in with half my avocado. This is a large size avocado. I'm only using half, so I'm just going to scoop half of it on one bread and the other half on the other. And then after that, I'm just going to add some raw California walnuts on the side. That's just for some added protein. Then I'm going to add my Kalamata olives, also from Trader's, just 3. It's like, you know, a little savory, salty add to it. And then I just use some of the juices of the olive juice from the olives and a sprinkle of pink Himalayan sea salt. And that is it. It is fire.
It's like a mini pizza, like a healthy, non-cheese version one. But yeah, this will be my lunch. And I'll see you for dinner. I'm so excited for dinner. I get so excited for the next meal. I haven't even finished my first meal that I'm on. Well, see you at dinner. I've been thinking about dinner all day long. Okay, so it is now time to eat dinner, and I'm so hyped. So tonight I'm having kale and chickpeas, a baked sweet potato with coconut oil and cinnamon, and half of a large avocado. And you guys, this is the best kale and chickpeas I have ever made. I changed my recipe and it is absolutely phenomenal. Why am I holding the knife like this? I changed my recipe and it's absolutely phenomenal now. So again, not trying to, like, you know, force you to go to my vegan channel, but if you want to learn how I make my meals, go on over to that and subscribe. But that's it, y'all. This is the end of my what I eat in a day video. I'm about to eat and continue watching Netflix. So I'll see y'all later. Bye. Like usual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it with all your friends, and if you want to keep up with me, find me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JaMexicanBeauty, and I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you later. Deuces.